So this is Monday morning, and this is the analysis I've been doing for the day. So I got this set up just after waking up. This is my 1 hour structure that I marked up, but then the zone I got from it's a 1 hour zone. So I got the zone from my 1 hour, and then it seems that I'm already seeing my confirmation at that zone. And I'll be looking for a trade at that level. If I get a rejection by 6:30, I'll be taking a trade because that's the time where I'll normally take my entries at. So if I get a rejection from this red box, I'll be taking my entry. So let's see how it goes. I took just one trade on GBPUSD. Yes, just one trade, and time now should be around. So time now is 12:30. So I took a trade during London session. It's almost hitting TP, so I have to wait and see whether it hits TP or not. I intend to take 2 trades today. So it's already New York session for me, 12:30 Nigerian time. That's my time for my own New York session. So if I get a trade after I close this trade I've taken, if I get a trade, I will actually take it, because I take 2 trades daily. And today is Monday. Normally we get a slow price action on Mondays, but today was a bit fast, so I can actually take 2 trades today. Share a little thing I noticed, I observed while studying yesterday, Sunday. Studying yesterday for this new week, or should I say for the whole month instead. While I was studying yesterday, I checked my previous trades and I noticed that there were some kind of problems. There were some kind of trades that come so similarly that make me lose so much. And then I decided to take that long trading journal, take a long time to actually fix and see what I could do. So I decided and saw that I could actually remove all those things, because those the win rates I get from trading all those kind of setups are so less, are about 20% or less. But then there were other setups that gives me better win rates, about 40 to 50%. And I was told myself, if there's actually a setup that gives me that kind of percentage, why should I take those ones that will reduce the percentage for me? So I did some studying and I said, okay, I'm going to take just this type of trades. And then those type of trades, let me give you so that you can actually research and do and see how it works on you. Those type of trades are you know the way they say buy low and sell high. So that's what I normally do. I buy low and sell high, but no matter what, I follow the trend. So the kind of trades that gives me a very low win rate, even though they were complete confluences, but most of the time it loses, are the kind of trades that retraces to my point of interest with a lot of impulses. So I'll be removing that from my trading for now, or maybe forever, because I'll always try to keep growing. So what the kind of trades I will only be taking are trades that when there is an impulse, its correction should always come in a very slow manner. If it comes down slow, then I'll take the trade. But if it comes back with an impulse, I'm not going to take the trade. That's what I'll be doing. And also, I noticed some kind of issues that I've been having back when I was trading. I noticed that I normally change my rules so fast. I can create a set of rules this week, and then in between the week, if I take some kind of losses I noticed that in between those weeks I actually changed my plan there, and I noticed it's a very bad habit where I actually want to always keep refining my strategy. So I've actually done some research, and I noticed that what I can do now is that I will sit down in a one day, maybe weekend, let's say weekend, 2 days, that's Saturday, Sunday. I can actually do my own I can research, check through my previous trades, and actually check the charts, back test, and see the kind of things that are there. So what I do now is that I'll just only check for my rules, put all those rules down, and before I can change anything from that rule, I must wait at least a month. At least this will build a sense of consistency and repetition in my trading, where even if I know I did put something that is not good in that strategy, what I can actually do is that I will wait till the month end. Even though it will keep giving me losses, I'll wait till the month end so that I can change, so that I will not just keep changing. Because I notice even though I change, it might be a good change in that strategy, but then there's a percentage of wins you get from changing a particular thing, percentage of wins and losses. So anytime I lose and I change, instead of taking the same trade, because most of the time that's how the market is, if you lose on a setup maybe like twice, the third time, most of the times, if you trade that same thing, you're going to get a win from it. So what I do is that if I lose from that and I notice it doesn't work, I now change it to another one. So when I change it, that one will come, will give me another loss. So all those kind of things are what have been messing my psychology and trading over the time.